Fractions. Subtract fractions from one-digit whole numbers. Subtracting fractions from a whole number will result in a fraction, 1 minus 1/3. We convert the whole number to the same denominator fraction. 1 is the same as 3/3. Then we can subtract. 3 minus 1 equals 2, 2/3. If we have one whole and we subtract 1/3, we're left with 2/3. 1 minus 2/6. We convert the whole number to the same denominator fraction. 1 is the same as 6/6. 6 minus 2/6 equals 4/6. You may be able to simplify the answer. 4/6. In our diagram, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. It's the same as 2/3, the same area. And if the whole number is greater than 1, 3 minus 2/5, we take 1 from the whole number and take the fraction from this 1. So 3 is the same as 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 minus 2/5. The 1 is the same as 5/5. Now we have 2 and 5 minus 2/5, or 2 and 3/5. Or you can convert the whole number into the same denominator. So 3 is the same as 15/5. We have 15 minus 2/5. And 15 minus 2 equals 13. 13/5. Now we need to simplify it to a mixed fraction. 2 is 10/5. We have 2 and 3/5 remaining. And if you have a mixed fraction, 4 minus 1 and 3/8, we can convert the whole numbers into the same denominators. 4 is the same as 32/8, and 1 and 3/8 is the same as 11/8. So we have 32 minus 11/8. And 32 minus 11 equals 21, so we have 21/8. Now we can simplify this into a mixed fraction. It's the same as 2 wholes and 5/8. Or you may prefer to add up in chunk steps. Step 1. What do we need to add to 1 and 3/8 to reach 2? It's 5/8. Then what do we add to 2 to reach 4? It's 2 wholes. So step 3 is add those together. 2 plus 5/8 is 2 and 5/8. Let's look at a few examples. 1 minus 7/12. We can convert the whole number to the same denominator. It's 12/12 minus 7/12. The answer's 5/12. What about 2 minus 3/4? We can take 1 from the whole number for the subtraction. 2 is the same as 1 plus 4/4 minus 3/4. So it's 1 and 1/4. What about 5 minus 2 and 1/5? We can convert the whole numbers to the same denominator and then simplify. It's the same as 25/5 minus 11/5. So 14/5. And we can simplify that to 2 and 4/5. What about 9 minus 4 and 1/7? We can use chunking. From 4 and 1/7 to 5 is 6/7, and from 5 to 9 is 4. So the total is 4 and 6/7. Remember, subtracting fractions from a whole number will result in a proper or mixed fraction. You may want to convert the whole numbers into the same denominator fractions. You can take 1 from the whole number to use for the subtraction. Or you may prefer to add up chunk steps.